Hi, welcome to your CareForIT trial. This video is going to show you how to add staff and clients to your CareForIT system. To add a client to your CareForIT system, click Add Client and complete all the required fields. Once you've entered all the necessary information, click Add Client Record to save this to your CareForIT system. Once added, the client will show as referred. You will then need to make the client active on CareForIT. This can be done by using the Bulk Actions menu. To add carer, click Add Carer and again complete the required fields. Once you've added all the necessary information, click Add Carer Record to save this information. You can input an email address now or go back and enter the email address later. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and follow us on all our social media platforms.